the BMC Additional Municipal Commissioner on Twitter has said that all senior citizens in Mumbai are kindly requested not to crowd and stand in long queues at the vaccination centre. Vaccine is in short supply just for now, and so it is not available at all places in enough quantity. But be rest assured that all 45 plus citizens will eventually get the vaccination. Besides vaccinating, the new age group will start only after enough vaccinations have been made available to the state. So senior citizens need not worry that once the new drive starts, they will be deprived of any sort of vaccination. Those who have taken the first dose are reasonably protected. Even if there is a slight delay in getting their second dose, it should not be a major problem. That's what the BMC is saying. Let's go across to Saurabh Gupta now, joining us for the very latest. Saurabh, BMC essentially pointing out that they have limited supply. They're also saying that they will be prioritizing the first dose. So starting 1st of May, they will be looking at younger people. But what exactly is the status? Have the private hospitals procured it? Do they have a plan in place on how this is going to start?
Well, it's very clear that the central government may have made the announcement about vaccinating everyone between the age group of 18 to 24. But it has left the implementation to the states without actually ensuring that there's enough stock of vaccines. Now, states have been told to procure vaccines on their own, apart from what the centre is going to provide from its quota. But states haven't been allowed to negotiate with other vaccine companies on their own. Neither has the centre allowed them to procure as much as they would like, because that is something that depends on availability. And at the moment, Covishield and Covaxin, the two vaccines that are available from Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech, are all pledged to the centre's kitty first, and then whatever remains is something that is going to go to the states. And officials estimate that it's not before the 3rd week of May, actually, that more doses will be available that could be administered to the 18 to 44 age group. This is the first official admission, so to speak, on record that it may not be on the 1st of May, but this is something that has been in the news for a while. Announcements have been made, registrations have begun, but frankly, on the ground, it is still difficult for states to procure enough vaccines. In Mumbai, you saw lines outside vaccination centers today, and mind you, right now, 45 plus age group is being vaccinated, and still there isn't enough stocks to go by, especially when it comes to the Covaxin doses, which is of course the vaccine manufactured by Bharat Biotech. But the most important question is, when the centre has granted emergency use approval to vaccines which are considered highly efficient, like the Sputnik vaccine, for example, states still haven't been given the go-ahead to talk to these manufacturers and procure directly from them. So red tape on the part of the centre seems to be holding up states in their capability to vaccinate more people and start the vaccination of the 18 to 44 age group in a truly meaningful way. What might happen on May 1st is what you might see, some token vaccinations, but clearly the larger chunk, the main vaccination program for the 18 to 44 is likely to be delayed beyond May 1.